Just it. Right now, I'm tired. That's it. That's it for the day. Hi guys, welcome back to another tasty video. It's all nice and sweet things in this channel. No beef, literally. I'm sure you've seen some of the events. The girl must not look like her problems. I've been saying the girl must not look like her problems. I'm joking. When mama knows someone knows that the other one knows that someone knows that's gonna do me nails, and someone knows the other one that's gonna do me my, that's that type of a situation. But ukusalayo, my hair is done, my nails got the feeling and combis. So just do not look like your problems, bruh. If you can, just do not look like your problems. Anyway, kade ngitshengisa la this thing that I'm using. Lesi hleli manje ngoba ngibuka nje. Guys, it was so hard to ukuyifaka because I'm looking for angles and whatnot. But sisiziyafakeka ke naku sesiyakhuluma, naku sesi-right. Lo vela ngala akagezile and abene vele mina naye ngoba ngithe akahambe yogeza. Asikho-ke lapho omunye ngala uyakhuluma. Guys, ngihlezi ngisho ukuthi the reason why back then ngangavlogi like it's because yikho lokhu but manje ngoba ngumahlalo sengiphoqelekile phela ukuthi yazini, let me just do what I can khona la ekhaya. Anyway, i-battery isizophela, so let me carry on with the story. So ngicine ngitholile UNICEF training ngisizwe uZanele, who is a responsible pharmacist at Beauty Zone, and ngangifunda na UKZN. All along bengazi ukuthi khona ngabe kudala ngimcelile indaba ye-UNICEF training, ngabe kudala sithola amanye ama-gigs for UNICEF, yabo bo Afafam and other pharmacists that use UNICEF, because Ulip, yeah, singawazi. Also today being Pome Richards Bay Ethics. Yeah, I think if I did not mention that, I don't know. But I had a locum yesterday and today, Saturday and Sunday. Oh, tomorrow I was supposed to go and ngiqhubeke ne-UNICEF training. But now ngoba sengibhukhiwe, obviously I have to take the money, and then on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday ngiyoqhubeka, because on Tuesday, last week Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I did train. I was quite getting better, and then on Friday I didn't go because I had to go to my hair and prepare for my locum. Now bekufanele kusasa ngithi ngiye khona Beauty Zone for a training yoqhubeka for a longer view, so that nge-weekend uZanele azokhona ungibhuka. But now I don't know if usazongibhuka yini, if ngimtshela ukuthi on sengizofika on Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. So morning, guys. It's currently, I don't know if you can see, it's 7:37. Vila go 7:30. I'm at Richards Bay. I don't know if I told you guys. So today and tomorrow I'll be here. And kona usisengijwayele ngihamba naye wakaqwabi, by the way usebenza khona la. So bekumele ngidlule ngimthathe ngiyamtshela ukuthi ngiyaphuma ngiphume ngo-7, I think. Ngiyaphuma ngo-7. And then she said, hawe ma ngisayogeza, then it's okay ngizokufica edwek, bengithi uhamba around 7:30. Ngibone nje hawe ma yabo ngisayogeza ngizokufica at work, and then I was like, oh okay, let me continue driving. Mangifika la uthi kuvulwa 8:30 today. I'm like, what? I thought kuvulwa 8. Ngiyakutshela, I thought kuvulwa 8, but ke akusenani. Vele ngihlezi ngifika 8, but it's a bit too early. Athi muzi uthini? How sorry, as ngabe bengithuke yazi ukuthi zivula past 8. So ngikhohlwa yazi nami ukutshela ngaze ngacabanga yazi ukuthi wake wasebenza part 9, so bengicanthe wasebenza bengithi uyazi sorry yazi zivula past 8. Ngizophuma la ngo-5:02 so that ngizongena ngo-8 as usual, ukuthi 30 minutes before, and then I fetch the key, I do all the things that I need to do before full. So yeah. Funny. Guys, no, I'm so sorry. I make myself laugh. Yeah, I really do make myself. I make myself laugh. Also, I'm sure because okay, what's going on with this girl? What's going on with this girl? What is she doing?
Vivian, I'm live on Clicks. I'm live on Clicks, Vivian. I'm live.
Thank you, God.
So my portfolio is 50. What?
Nipalan and CPTs?
Sibhala nje ama-assessments and tests.
Oh. Matshengisa ukuthi it was activated in AP Max then.
Oh, bye.
I am going to a beauty zone for Unisolve system training. I am tired. I am literally tired. Like, this is nothing more I can say. Anyway, asambeni sekhona. Ay. Usezenza namahloni nixoxeni. Uzenza namahloni. Uyena mphathi wami ungifundisa isystem yase-beauty zone le.
Hey guys, how you doing there? I hold my assistants, yeah. I'm the one that's helping her. Okay. She isn't helping her. That's cool. Come on, Mtembu, guys.
Mawunomphathi nje angazi abaphathi benu banjani. Mina wami sengithengela ama-chips. Nina beni banithengelani? Banithengelani? Cha. Morning guys. Today is Thursday. It's Siri's birthday. Oh, I'm gonna post. But I just wanted to tell you, it was unpacking with this scrap here, and she said she wants me to pull an outfit. My scrap is here. These are my toes. And you know what? Let me tell you something, man. In short term, dates at home. Maybe if I had black Crocs that has yellow gibbets, that would eat. But for today, I will show you my outfits with what did I wear with this yellow scrap, because she said she can't do it. So I took it. Because you know what? I'll make something out of it. So this is going to be the first outfit with the yellow scrap. And then I think next time I'll be sending my Crocs up black with the yellow gibbets. And see over him. Like, I'll make it work. Even if I have to get yellow Crocs, I'll make it work. Because it's crap so I need to change some outfits. But shout out to her. Excuse me. Shout out to her ngiphi scrub. Nomndeni wami. Yo. Without prayer, we can't do anything. Hey. Hello, sesifikile Xozosilanda.
Okay, ngiyeza ngizongena ngizodinga ngo-5 ngiyeza.
Oh, phela ku-right sokunika lapha phandle thina. Sokuculela lapha phandle.
Okay,
Uthini?
uthi nizongena angazona.
Oh, uzobabuza phela ama-security abangani bakho.
Okay.
Sure. Nomsindo. Manje asingene endithini? Bathini bathi singangeni. Ngisho besibonile sifile. Angimazi. Ngibone elunguza. Ya, sho ukuthi idinga ukusuka ikhamera yami. Hayibo, aningibona ngimuhle kanjani. Hayibo. Basasicela ukuthi singene-ke phakathi ukuze sinikeze i-present. Noma li-street nje leli. Ngenyawo hayi ngemoto. Hawu. Ngitshela ukuthi angavula igeti elikhulu. Buka manje. Awumbuzi.
Asambethe.
Yehlani phela. Hawu, umtsheli umkhulu ukuthi asingeni thina.
Siyavloga.
Thatha phela i-vlog.
Yawa. Bathi ijisa. We. Mama ithathe mic.
Ikimi mic ngicela. Wait. Ayikho lento niyenzayo. Nisazofunda kodwa. Ayikho into enizoyifunda la. Hawu. Kancane uzothina ne-stress yazi.
Yabo.
Uzothi ngine-stress yo bese yongena emanzini. Ngine-stress. Ayikho into enizoyifunda shemsisi. Hawu. usikhanisa ugesi pha. Sesikhohle ipresent yamama-ke abekuthengele yona.
Umama,
Uthe siyiphathe mina ngakhohle ukuyifaka emotweni.
how?
Usezokunika kusasa.
How?
Ngiyikhohliwe ngempela. Khumbula uzoyibonela kusasa.
How idle? Yasisibuka. How sicela sisibuka. Yaza nje nancha phela ungabuzi bese ngenza. Yabona ngifuni.
Not offered something to drink. Ayibo ama-guest.
Oh,
So here's something to drink. How?
Bu ave.
I-present in. Oh,
But
sorry.
it's a present from me to me.
Oh, wow.
Yes, from me to me. And I wanna start. I didn't even want to.
Ngiculeleni phela.
Happy birthday to you.
Hawu, kwangathi ngiculela uluze.
To me. Happy birthday, dear Sire. Happy birthday to me.
Una 1. Una 5. Yay.
No, what's a kitago?
Aw. Ngehlelwa yini? Nenjani? Siyaphila.
What's a kitago?
Niyabona nje umuntu wasemakhaya. Besilethe nakhu-ke sini bese siyahamba. Cha, khipha phela sibone.
Hey! Yabo, hey! Ha! Upoche! Hi, ma! Sisingabo! Yay, Dina! Ha, ha, ha! Yay!
Oh, F about 2.
Yo! Hey, bafethu! Yo! Ha! Sisi, thank you so much.
Uswidi ngathi uwisile uswidi akuphathele wona. Khona uswidi akuphathele wona ave. Scream phela. This is all from us.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank
You're welcome.
Wathuma ushaye manje uluze.
Yay.
Wathula manje. Wathula. Thank you very much. That's Haybona. You. Thanks for your rock Haybo. For him. Adija. Yabona sis. Hey. Hey. Yentshela. Ha. Hey, ngiyabonga mntase.
Namali mahlaleli.
Amahlale akungizamanga untakulile. Awu, ngeke mfana. Ngizabizwa lezinto. Amahlale. Manje kwakuyi present yami.
Le ngiphi usitoli?
Kwakuyi
Iskipa nezibuko.
ibuko.
Kwakuyiskipa se-Redbird sesi-brown.
Ngaxoxa wayo uneskipa esincane. Wathanda iskipa esincane. Kodwa ave ngisinayo because ngabona amakepisi nje. Ngadlula.
Ngiyasebenza nge-weekend shame mahlalelo yaphansi. Ngithole.
Ngizobe sikoyi-cox.
Uyalala.
Sicalele siphelele ngomnani. And the next day, it's go. A woman says a red dress.
Oh.
Yes.
Hey.
Yes.
Yebo.
Baby girl.
Show me phethe uyithenge
A
kuphi?
short one. Oh, everything is from M, guys.
Wow.
M, ngizobona.
Usendele kithombe.
I've got shades here for a once the last time. Messing this avatar.
Washa.
Yabiza bo.
Hey, sasa ngizobe ngenzima kakhulu bafana. Ama-photos. Oh, last but not least.
Yeah, let's put my first. Ooh, that's a nice one.
Hey,
Lelithombe.
kule
Bafuna ukubona ku-YouTube.
Ukhaxakhaxa. And cabanga ngisitolile. Yabona yabiza. Ngizobe sengenzima.
Zokususa ngemekha.
Hawu. I-makeup nayo
Uyifaka.
usane phela uroom sami lo wala stembo. Usane beauty everywhere.
Yeah.
Wena weave, wena installation, wena makeup. Hayi, cishe ngathini abantu bami. Kodwa ya, ngizoza ne-call. Ingoba ngiyafunda nje bengisondokho ngicela ngithi ngisazola.
Leyo sizoqina. Sazosakhathana.
Network.
Siyavuma kwesikhulu.
Bese ufuna ukudansela ama-visit. Kushuthi sorry.
Shuthi so.
Lapho ngizodansa ne-visit.
Kushuthi sorry.
Bataka.
Okay.
Babize. Keke kaka.
3,
Eh?
2.
Ave.
Amapholisa. Bataka. Niwazia. Amapholisa. Okay, finish. What?
Finish.
What?
And next thing.
What? Phela best of best yellow.
Angizwelanga mina ngizoba photographer yini. Ngiyakodola na. for.
Siyabonga bakyo. Hi.
Imali yetekisi.
Siyabonga.
Imali yetekisi.
Bakit abanga nje imoto yamahhala nginemoto uthasicaba sithenge ngani ngemali ngiyani ka petrol
Ngithe cab.
abasane